Good morning, everyone. This is your global news update on January 23, 2026. I'm Aditya from Devas to Abu Dhabi. The world is watching major diplomatic movies unfold. Let's begin. Top story. President Donald Trump has officially launched the Border of the Peace at the World Economic Forum in Davos. He is personally chaired to signing ceremony yesterday, describing it as one of the most important bodies ever created. The the initiative will first focus on the enforcing the Gaza ceasefire and the supporting reconstruction with ambition to address other global conflicts. 35 nations have joined as a founding members, including Israel, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Pakistan, Egypt, UAE, Argentina, Indonesia, and the Vietnam. Major Western alliance France, Germany, UK, Norway, Sweden, and others have declined to the participate. Cities war the world border could undermine the United States United Nations. Trump institute it will completed not replace the UN. President Trump holding the sign charity at the border of the peace ceremony in Davos. Gold logo visible world leader in the background. Source ABC News. Return still photo more Davos. Next, historical criteria talks between Russia and the United States begin today in Abu Dhabi. The 2 days meeting flowed late night discussing in the Monaco between President Putin and USA Inovaki European President Zelensky. I'm sorry for pronounce. After calling this Davos meeting with Trump could confirm the talking and urged urged European to build stronger independent defense, saying the continent has become too reliant on American security guarantees. Delegates arise or symbolic diplomatic suit flags of US, Hurricane, Russia, or Stade Venice in Abu Dhabi or related recognition scene. In the article, President Trump announced a firework from a future deal on Greenland, stepping back from earlier threat of the force of traffic. The plan would give United States long-term access for security. Proposed particularly against Russia and China without full ownership. European leaders have called an emergency summit tonight over hours night concern. Denmark is reinforcing its presence. Military press will Greenland official emphasize emphasize self-determination. Also making headline, Trump revoked Canada invited to the border of the peace after Prime Minister Mark Kelly said citizen at Davos of the powerful nation using economic leverage carrying response Canada. Do not live because of the United States. Quick hits. A massive winter storm is battering most of the Saturn United States, showing ice and dangerous cold temperature after over 170 million people. In Iran, national-wide protests continue from the fourth week with the government acknowledging demonstration in more than 400 cities and towers. Gaza case fire remaining Fargling aimed reported on the continued stickers. New Zealand resource stamps research from the massive people after dealing landslide hits a coastal campground. Oscar nomination release singer lead with a record 16 notes. Sundance Film Festival open its final season in Park City today. That's your world news roundup from January 23, 2026. Diplomatic diplomats in Davos and Abu Dhabi could save global allies. We will bring you every update. Thank you for watching. I'm Aditya. Stay formed, stay safe. See you next time. Thank you for watching this video. I have liked this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm sorry for my pronunciation because I have problem to pronounce any word, any tough word or any simple word. So I can try to my best. Thank you for watching this video.